So my refrigerator leaks here, and as you notice, I have got that glass there collecting water. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this back part off. What's going to more than likely going to be it is underneath here is going to be probably some ice and just some gunk. I got to clean that out. I'm going to get some warm water. Going to pour that down there, and that should hopefully fix the issue. All right, so I unplugged the fridge here, and I got a little bit of water. But, what you want to do is you want to clear out a lot of this ice here. That it is, also could be cause of it. If you notice, I have a lot of ice back there. So I want to make sure that I clear all that out. That's what's causing a lot of the drippage, because it's just dripping into drain right there. And I'm also going to take off this piece as well here. I took off the 2 screws. I'm going to take off the other 2 screws there. But as you notice, I was pouring some water and it's getting, so you're pinpointing the source of the problem. But once I do that, I'm going to, essentially clean this up, let that all dry, and we should be good to go to fixing the problem. All right, so just notice I got quite a bit of ice here. So that's really what I'm trying to get rid of, is that ice there. Because, obviously when it drips into the, drips into my refrigerator. So that's the ice that I'm trying to clear out. I'm actually boiling water right now. I don't know if it's that serious. I'm not sure if you get the boil water, but just some warm water should be necessary. All right, I have this off, so you want to make sure that that's kind of all clear of debris. How it sits in there is this. It goes back like that. It sits back like that. So you want to make sure that that's clear of debris. Also too, like I said, that part there. So I'm starting to get it to, it's starting to defrost. So I just want to make sure I get up majority of that, and then once I get that basically clear, I'm going to dry it up, and it should fix the problem. All right, so I also took this part off. There's 2 screws here, and there's 2 screws there and there. But let me turn this. You see, I'd probably recommend taking stuff out of your fridge as well. But yeah, so here's that back part area. Like I said, you just want to pour water just to make sure that's kind of clear of debris. Also too, I'm going to clean that out a little bit as well too. But when it essentially defrosts, that it's going to defrost into that. So you just want to make sure that that drain can drain into something instead of just draining into that part right there. Because if it drains into that, it's obviously just going to drain into your fridge. So yeah, I'm going to get it all cleaned up, and that should fix the problem. All right, so pretty much got all the water I could. Still got to dry it up just a little bit more, but there's no ice back there, which is the most important thing. So just got to dry it up a little bit more. I'm going to put this back on the back. Got to clean up in here quite a bit. I got a lot of water, but for the most part, that'll fix the problem. But yeah, I'm going to put all this back together, turn the fridge on, and we should be good to go. All right, so I got everything back the way it was. As of right now, no leaks so far. I'm going to leave that there just in case, but that should fix it. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe. See you guys next time.